this video, I'm going to teach you how to evaluate this expression right here correctly. Now I come down here with the questions. We have this 6 plus 2 divided by 2 into 2 plus 2 in parentheses. Here, some persons will simplify this like this. Now we have 6 plus 2, that gives 8. And divided by 2 into 2 plus 2. Then at this point, we have 8 divided by 2, that gives 4 into 2 plus 2. Then they will now simplify this. We have 4 multiplied by 2 plus 2, that gives 4. Let's multiply this out. 4 times 4, that gives 16. But this answer is wrong. Then this is the wrong approach of simplifying this. Now and again, still on this, some persons will simplify it in this form. You have 6 plus 2 divided by 2 into 2 plus 2. Then right here, we have this. You have 6 plus 2, that gives 8. Then divided by, here expand this. 2 times 2, that gives 4. Then 2 times plus 2, that still gives 4. Then here, we have 8 divided by 4, that will give 2 plus 4. Now, 2 plus 4, that will give 6. But this answer is still wrong. Therefore, this is still a wrong approach of evaluating this. Now, again, to simplify this correctly or to evaluate this correctly and in the right order, we are going to have this. We have 6 divided by 6 plus 2 divided by 2 into 2 plus 2. Here, I'm going to apply PEMDAS here. We have this PEMDAS, or you can also use BODMAS. It's the same. Now, first, we are going to treat the brackets or the parentheses first. We have the parentheses. Now, here we are going to have 6 plus 2 divided by 2. Then here 2 plus 2, that gives 4. Then this is multiplication. Now here, we have no exponent here. We have multiplication, division. We have addition, no subtraction. But these two, multiplication and division, have the same precedence. And operation here is from left to right. Therefore, here we have addition, division, and multiplication. We just start with this. Now we are going to have a 6 plus 2 divided by 2. That will give us plus 1 times 4. Then at this point, we have multiplication. We're going to consider multiplication before addition here. And we are going to have 1 times 4. That will give us 4. And we have here 6 plus 1 times 4. That is 4. Then lastly, we add. We have 6 plus 4. That will give us 10. And this is the right answer to this expression right here on the board. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more math solutions. See you in the next video.